Many people across the Bluegrass, weekend plans include a trip to the lake. But if you're heading out on the water, Kentucky Fish and Wildlife officers have a warning for you. We're told you about Operation Dry Water, a national effort to stop intoxicated boaters. And as WKYT's Kristen Kennedy tells us from Lake Cumberland, that operation kicks into gear this weekend.
Expect to see a lot of these rangers
Got a fire extinguisher,
asking these questions
a life jacket for everybody on board.
to a lot of boaters this weekend.
We get out here on the lake, do vessel checks.
Park rangers with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in Somerset are assisting Fish and Wildlife officers in Operation Dry Water. It's a national push to keep boaters safe on the weekend right before one of the busiest holidays of the boating season.
There's only so many officers out here on the lake, and it is a big push for us to make sure people are being safe. And we just want to have them have such a good time here at Lake Cumberland and go home to their families at the end of the day.
Not only do you need to make sure you're wearing the proper safety gear on a boat, you also need to watch out for intoxicated drivers. Those are the people that Fish and Wildlife officers are targeting this weekend.
Last year, Kentucky Fish and Wildlife had the largest amount of VIDs here in Lake Cumberland ever. So it's definitely a problem here, and we want to promote safety to stop it.
If park rangers spot intoxicated drivers on the waters, they can and will detain them until Fish and Wildlife officers arrive to arrest them. Kentucky law prohibits people from drinking alcohol in public places, and waterways are considered public.
Some people do decide to drink and drive. Some people aren't aware of how to operate a boat. And there's a lot of people on Lake Cumberland, especially on those Saturdays, especially 4th of July.
Operation Dry Water covers all Kentucky waterways. At Lake Cumberland, Kristen Kennedy, WKYT.
Operation Dry Water takes numbers from all participating states and later ranks each state based on the number of intoxicated boater arrests and citations issued.